Hey there, are you looking to make some extra cash on the side? Well, you're in luck, because there are plenty of ways to earn money online that are perfect for students like you. In this video, we're going to cover the top 10 ways students can earn money online. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. 1. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students who need help. You can sign up with websites like tutor.com or wyzant.com, or advertise your services on social media. Make sure you have a strong grasp of the subject matter and good communication skills to be an effective online tutor. 2. Freelance writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can write articles or blog posts for websites that pay writers for their content. You can find freelance writing gigs on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Cantina. Make sure you have strong writing skills and a good understanding of grammar and spelling. 3. Virtual assistants. Many companies hire virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks such as data entry, email management, and appointment scheduling. You can find virtual assistant job postings on job boards like Indeed or remote.co. You can also offer your services on freelance job platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. To be a successful virtual assistant, you should have strong organizational skills, good communication skills, and be comfortable with technology. 4. Selling products. You can start an online store and sell products through websites like Etsy or Amazon. You can create and sell your own products, or buy and resell products for a profit. You'll need to research product trends and create a marketing strategy to be successful in online sales. 5. Social media marketing. If you're familiar with social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you can offer your services to businesses as a social media marketer to help them grow their online presence. You can create content, run advertising campaigns, and engage with followers on behalf of the business. Make sure you have a good understanding of social media algorithms and analytics to be effective in social media marketing. 6. Online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. Companies and brands want to know what their customers think about their products and services, and they're willing to pay for that information. You can sign up for websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research and start taking surveys to earn money. Keep in mind that the pay for each survey may not be substantial, but it can add up over time. 7. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need graphics or logos created. You can create a portfolio of your work on websites like Behance or Dribbble to showcase your skills and attract clients. You can also find freelance graphic design gigs on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. 8. Translation services. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer your services as a translator on websites like prose.com. You can translate documents, website content, or even subtitles for videos. Make sure you're comfortable with the language and the subject matter before taking on any translation work. 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon or ClickBank, and promote products on your blog or social media accounts. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. 10. YouTube. YouTube is a popular platform for sharing video content and building a following. You can monetize your YouTube channel by enabling ads, selling merchandise, or creating sponsored content. As your channel grows, you can also earn money through brand partnerships or sponsorships. Just make sure you're creating content that's engaging and valuable to your audience. So there you have it, students. The top 10 ways you can earn money online. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig or a way to turn your passions into profit, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you. So go out and start earning some extra cash, and have fun while you do it.